Can you install APK on Roku without jailbreaking it?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic, the possibility of installing APK files on a Roku device. You might be wondering, is it even possible without jailbreaking it? Well, let's explore this together.
What is an APK and can it be installed on Roku?
APK stands for Android Package Kit. It's the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. However, Roku does not run on the Android operating system, but on a Linux-based OS known as Roku OS. As such, it's not possible to install APK files directly on Roku without changing its firmware or operating system, which can be seen as a form of jailbreaking.
Is jailbreaking necessary for using other apps on Roku?
No, jailbreaking is not necessary. Roku is a powerful device that has a dedicated Roku Channel Store for installing apps. The Roku Channel Store features a wide range of applications, both free and paid, which can be directly installed on the device. While Roku's system is closed off and doesn't allow the use of APKs, it does support a feature known as private channels or hidden channels. You can use private channels to access content not found in the Roku Channel Store. However, these private channels are still developed within Roku's framework and should not be confused with installing an APK.
What can we do if we want more apps?
If you want more flexibility and access to Android apps, consider using a device that runs on Android, like an Android TV or a Fire TV stick. There's also the option of Chromecast, which allows you to cast content from your Android device onto your TV. So, there you have it, folks. While we cannot directly install APKs on Roku without jailbreaking it, Roku still offers a multitude of options for accessing different content. If you're looking for more, you might consider Android-based alternatives. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll catch you in the next Tech Deep Dive.